Gingerbread house. Gingerbread house. Why am I saying gingerbread house? I think I'm thinking gingerbread. I'm saying house and bread together. Gingerbread house. Shut up! Your gingerbread house kit. It's so bad. What am I doing wrong? Am I saying it wrong still? Why can't I talk? Gingerbread house kit. Is that correct?
You said,
What did I say?
like, gingerbread house.
Gingerbread house kit. Lollies to decorate. That was the worst ingredients list I've ever done.
Gingerbread house.
You know what to say. Happy
Happy 21st of July.
No, 25 DIYs of Christmas.
Oh.
What's all behind me? 2, 1. Happy 25.
21st of July? What is it? 25 DIYs.
Yes! Why would it be the 21st of July?
Because we're celebrating Abraham Lincoln's birthday. He likes gingerbread.
Alright, stop. Look at me crying and
Yeah, I'm
laughing.
crying.
I'm itchy now because you made me sweaty.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Abraham.
Make it so impossible to work.
Isn't it like 7th of July?
Oh, no! Yeah, 7th of July! The 21st doesn't have any significance to anything. You just make me cry.
Only Abraham. That's fine.
I look upset now.
Look like I've been crying like this. Had a big punch up in it.
This is our breakup video. No, I'm kidding. I think I split my lip from laughing.
Yeah, why would you split your lip from laughing?
Why would I want to? I didn't mean to.
Happy 25 DIYs?
Yes.
Is that what it is?
Yes.
Okay. So nothing to do with Abraham.
3, 2, 1. I can't do it now.
Why?
You ruined it.
No, I didn't. Alright, we need to take a breather.
Have some water. Happy 25 DIYs of Christmas. We did it. We finally did the intro. I was supposed to do a lot more today, but Jake just made it really hard to be productive. Today is going to be more of a vlog, but we are using a little DIY gingerbread house kit, and we're going to decorate it, because that's what you do at Christmas, I guess. Gingerbread houses aren't as big in Australia, do you feel?
Not really.
Not really. They're definitely a more northern hemisphere thing. Maybe because it's so hot here and everything just melts. Oh, they're broken.
Oh, why are they so cooked like that?
Maybe because it's so hot.
And I was sitting in the box like that.
So unfortunately, it's a sad.
It's broken.
It's a sad gingerbread house.
pieces
already.
everywhere.
Oh really?
What are those pieces?
Who cooked this?
Have you leave it mounted like that?
It can
It's
be.
going to be a wavy wall, because if you push it, you're going to break it.
Okay, I'm cool with that.
I don't know what happened here.
Hey, at least like the
Those
bricks
ones
are already
aren't too
on.
bad. Hang on.
It's the walls. The roofs are fine. How many roofs are there?
I don't know. Oh, what is that?
The base? Who does the base?
Maybe that's where we went wrong last time.
We didn't make a base.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. What is this? Why is there only 3 pieces? It can't be a triangle chimney. Do we have a missing piece? Where's the? What should we have?
Oh, was that for this?
Well, we may as well eat that one then.
I was joking. It's like a tiny little crumb.
Good.
You need 1 medium egg.
Ew, really? It's not getting cooked.
Oh, we just need the egg white. We really need that? You reckon we can quick about it?
And do we have to beat it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beat egg whites 5 to 7 minutes
Just one.
with a whisk
With beater.
to form stiff peaks.
Stiff thing.
Yuck.
That was risky.
Yeah, that looks like raw egg.
That actually looks like good glue.
Yeah. use it for our other DIYs downstairs. Don't let that lip touch it. Why would you do that? Oh, this is going bad real quick.
It's alright. You freak out. You're such a Capricorn. You literally freak out the minute something's an inconvenience for you.
What, like, I think it should all over the bench.
Yeah.
That's an inconvenience to anyone.
That's a slight inconvenience. You just clean it up. Cooking is supposed to be messy.
She's bad at it. Right, you need a piping order to hold in?
Okay, I'm down for that.
You're real close. Not really close.
Just like our hands.
Inside the house, but. First things first, we need glue.
Glue going for the walls.
Yeah.
We're awfully quiet when we have to concentrate. Well, considering it came broken in the box, I think we mended a really good gingerbread house.
Looks good for snow on it. That turned out really good.
Turned out really good. You
Even
can't,
the fence.
Even the fence. Nothing else you want to add?
No, I think there's enough on it.
You were only supposed to come on for the woodworking stuff, but now here you are, recipe making.
I know.
Right.
Can't stay away from me.
Well, Jake will be joining us again this week. You'll see him very soon, and I'll see you tomorrow for another DIY. We're doing some gift wrapping.
Oh.
No, I'm doing gift wrapping with them.
I was like, what?
I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.